Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Extreme FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still going strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Extreme is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Extreme FX Common Unity, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Extreme is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Extreme FX is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Extreme FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the common unity, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came in, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we are looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, do me a favor, family. If you can hear me, put a 1 in the chat. If you can hear me. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys can hear me. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Thank you, Siate. Thank you for that. Thank you, Ray London. Awesome, Hughes. Great, great. Thank you for that, y'all. So welcome to the move of the day with your host, King Nelson. I am one of the many trainers here at Extreme Lifestyle. Before we go on, I'd like to say our disclaimer. Extreme Lifestyle cannot and will not make any guarantees about your ability to earn any money with our trainings. The information shared on this live is for educational purposes only. With that said, are we ready to get to these charts? You guys ready to learn something this morning before we get a little trade in? Come on, y'all. Drop a 2 in the chat if you're ready to learn a little something. Drop a 2 in the chat, y'all, if you guys are ready to learn something. Awesome, awesome. All right, Ashley with the 3, she want to go deeper. She's like, yes, give me something, and I want another one added on top of that. Let's go, let's go. All right, y'all, listen. I've been trading for quite some time, right? And I've learned a lot of strategies in this market. Right? I've learned and ICT, all the way, to, you can name it. I bought all kinds of courses and really studied this market, because I really wanted this this market to, be my main source of income, and to the glory of God, it is. Right. So, but it all comes with training. It all comes with, your the amount of time you put into this market, learning. Right. So I always like to say, use, education, right? Because education is key to learning. Right. So when you become, when you go and you try to become a football player or athlete, right, in any sport, you got to study that sport. You just don't wake up one day and be like, you know what, I'm a pro football player. No, you got to spend time in learning all the skills of that sport, even in hospitals, nurses and doctors, right? They spend years and years and years of learning that skills. Trading is the same thing. It's the same way. If you're not continuing your education and learning all about this market, you're not going to be very successful in it, right? So in all my years of learning, right, in all my years of really focusing in on how to make money off this market, I've learned one thing, and that has been very helpful to me, is structure. Structure is the key to trading. And every strategy I've learned, right, every course I've come across, right, every trader that I've watched, right, because I do watch a lot of traders, right, you can never, you always learn from somebody, right? So you stay a student of what you want to become, right? So in all my years of learning, right, structure has been the most less people don't really pay attention to structure, right? Or they probably do, but they never mention it, right? They never mention it. So structure is like the key. Structure is the key to trading. If you can understand structure, right, you can make a lot of money in this market, but you just need to know structure, right? Structure, right? And there's other components that come with it as well. But structure is the main foundation, right? Is the foundation of trading. When you can see the market moving in a certain direction, and understand why it's going in that direction, right, you could make a lot of money with this market. So write these down, y'all. Is structure is the key of foundation. It is the foundation of trading. Structure is the foundation of trading. I'm going to teach you guys a little something. All right, so this has changed my trading career phenomenally, man. It's helped me to take less losses, because everybody takes losses, family. Everybody takes losses. It helps me to take way more losses than I usually used to. All right, so here, let me kind of give you guys a little rundown, right? So you guys all, if you guys are in this, you guys have been in extreme lifestyle, you guys know that there's the characteristics of the market, which is characteristics of a uptrend is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? It's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? And this is the direction of a uptrend, right? So downtrend, you have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? So this is structure. It is very key to know where the higher lows and lower highs are. Higher lows and lower highs are. These two are more important than the lower lows and lower highs, or lower lows and higher highs. What's more important is to understand where those lower highs and higher lows are, right? Write these down, because it's gonna help you to see the market in a whole different way. So you want to pay attention to the higher lows and the lower highs. Higher lows and the lower highs, not the lower lows and the higher highs. Right? Lower lows and higher highs. Those are exit points. Those are exit points. But the lower highs and the higher lows are entry points. Also, when the structure breaks and it gets violated, it always breaks at the lower highs and higher lows. It always breaks at the lower highs and the higher lows. There you can see the shift, right? The market shift. But if there's never a violation of the lower highs and higher lows, you're going to just continue on in the direction that the market is already going. So the higher lows and the lower highs are very, very key. All right. So what are the two things that you look for in the trend? Is the higher lows and the lower highs. You want to make sure that you understand what these two are, right? Because if, say like this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? If market breaks this, right, which this is the higher low, right? This is a higher low. Market breaks this, we get a shift and a change of characteristics. We start seeing this. And in the same way, if the downtrend comes lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we get a break, a violation of this higher low or a lower high, we could start seeing market change directions, right? We could start change of character, right? There's going to be some change of character in here, and we're going to start seeing higher highs and higher lows being created in the market. And this happens in every time frame, family. This happens in every time frame, right? Any questions on this? Does everybody have this? Everybody recognize this? Put a 1 in the chat if you understand this. 1 in the chat if you understand this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Listen, guys. In the higher time frame, in the higher time frame, you get more of overall structure. Higher time frame. Lower time frame, you get pullbacks. You get retracements, right? Pullbacks and retracements. When you see the because it happens in every time frame, right? So let's go look at the 15-minute here. All right. Let's see here. We'll start from here. Let's go current market. Let's go to the current market. I took this trade this morning. I'll show you guys where. I'll show you guys. When you get structure coming off of a key zone, that's even better. That's probably another session that we could go into, but it's too much to teach now. But here's what I'm talking about, right? Here's what I'm talking about. Here's the structure. What is the structure? The overall structure is it broke to come down, right? Let me show you here. All right. Look at this 15-minute structure. We have, for just for time's sake, I'm going to go with the structure that I see with and higher high here, and then we get a break. Look at this violation, all right? We broke here. 15-minute structure broke, right? We broke this 15-minute structure. So now I'm looking for a retracement to sell, right? Retracement to sell because it violated the structure here. Right here. Right? We got a change of character, which is a break of structure. When it broke this structure, I knew it was going to start selling. How did I know that? How did I know? It's because structure never lies. Structure is always on point to me. When I see the structure and see what the market is giving out, I anticipate the direction that it's already telling me it's going to go in. So we get a break of structure here in the 15 minutes, and now I'm dropping down to see it even probably broke structure up here in a lower time frame. All right, so let's look at this. All right, let's look at this. We got a break of structure here. Now we drop down to the 5 minute. Let's look at what the 5 minute looks like. All right, let's look at what the 5 minute looks like. Now we have the break of structure here. We need to see a retracement. Remember, higher high, let me see. What always is a higher high, higher low, higher high, which is over here. I'm looking over here. This is this coming up. Higher low, higher high, and then we get a break, which is this break here. This break, which is violates this low. All right. Even this low, it already broke, right? So you always got to wait for a retracement. There's always a retracement. Always retracement. This is probably a 618 move as well, right? So when you see the retracement, it's here you can anticipate a sell. Here's where you look for the entry. If this is a lower low, this is the lower high. This is where you enter the market. This is where you want to enter the market at, right? Which is here, right here, right? So let's look at, I came into the market late, so I caught it over here. All right, so let's look at this here. Let's go down to let's drop down to the, how much time we left? Yeah, we got some time. All right, let's look at this section here. Right here. Now we have structure coming up. All right, structure buying back up. All right, buying back up to create a lower high because we already have this impulse move coming down, broke structure, right? So let's look at this structure. Higher high, higher low. All right, this is for time's sake. Let's move up to this higher high, higher low, another high here, and then we get a break. Actually, we get a break here, but look at this break here. It even confirms a little more, right? So you could have caught this from here. You could have put a sell stop right here and caught this low, right? And caught this drop coming down. Then we have, all right, what's the structure coming down? We have this impulse move down from here with an order block. This is an order block right here. The last up candle, right? The last up candle before, the impulse move left some imbalances. Look at that 5 minute. Left huge imbalance right here. And price came right back to it. Right? Price came right back to it. I caught it over here. Right? I caught it over here. This is the sell I caught. How did I know it was going to sell? How did I know it was going to sell? That's when you understand structure, you get better at making, good decisions on your trades. Right? And trading is all about, it's not about making money. It's not about focus on making money. It's focus on making good trades, y'all. This is what trading is. Right? You don't focus on how much money you're going to make. You focus on how many good trades you put in. All right? How many good trades you can execute. All right? Write that down, y'all. Write that down. Trading is not about making money. It is about making good trades. All right? It's about executing good trades. This is what trading is about. Because if you could execute good trades, the money will follow. If you could execute good trades, the money will follow, family. So focus on making good trades. Focus on executing good trades. Profitable trades, right? Good profitable trades. And then the money will follow. All right. So now let's look at this market, see what we can find and see how, if we can get a good trade in. We got a couple of more minutes for this. And I hope you guys learned something. If you learned a little something, drop a 4 in the chat. If you learned something, 7, drop a 7 in the chat. If you learned a little something there. Drop a 7 in the chat, family. All right now. Morning, Micah. Good morning, Crystal, Ashley, Priscilla, Meanie. Good morning. All right, let's see if we could get like a good trade in here. Oh man. Let me see this real quick. We are at a key point, y'all. We got structure going up. Got to break a structure here. We're at a key point, so I'm really careful right here, right? Because this is 15-minute candle. Let me see if we get a 5-minute. All right. I want to see this violated. I want to see this bottom violated before I even take a sell here again. Because we're at a key point for a reversal. All right, this could just reverse and go back up. Structure here, right? Overall, let's look at the overall structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high. So I got to see this break this low before you even, take another sell. All right, because we might see a run up here. Oh my gosh. Look at this, man. Last up candle, broke structure. Oh man, this thing might have a good sell this morning. We might get a good sell this morning. Let me look at this 15 minutes. Coming off of this order block, this order from, let me see, back in March 10th. March 10th, this order was created. It's coming right off of it. Structure coming down. All right, so we might see we might see this drop this morning. We might get a good sell this morning. Boom, boom, boom. First level to look at if we do catch the sell, if we do, sell out is 19,622. Second one would be 19,540. 19,540. Let's look at these levels. All right, when we catch our sell from this. We got about 6 more minutes, y'all. Looks like this is still dropping. We break this low, it's going to continue, right? Because this is structured. All right, we have lower low, lower high, creating a new low. And we'll wait for a pullback and jump in. And this will be the key level we're looking at. This will be a level we'll probably take some profits at 622, 19,622. We got to make sure that we get the impulse move down, though, family. The opening market is always, key to when you're trading. All right, you want to see what the market does at the opening. All right, if it gives impulses in certain directions, all right, that gives us opportunity, all right, to ride the coattails of the banks, family. Let me see what gold is doing. Man, gold is at that all-time high, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with gold. I'll let gold do its thing. I like the structure on NAS, right? I'm structured. I love the trade structure. All right, support and resistance, structure, order blocks, right? So we'll keep an eye on what NAS does at this opening. We got 5 more minutes, y'all. And what I just taught y'all, family, what I just taught you guys, and it's, you could use that in any market. All right, you could use it with gold, you could use it with pairs. I trade NAS. All right, I'm at the NQ NASDAQ. And that's basically what I trade majority of is NAS. I trade a little bit of gold, but I'm really focused in on NAS, the NASDAQ. I like the way it moves. If you guys have any pairs you want me to take a look at, drop in the chat. All right. If you guys trade pairs, I'll take a look at it, but I won't trade it. I'll give you some pointers on it, see where my suggestions are. Yeah, we got a couple of minutes, y'all, so you guys can drop some questions, right, in the market, in the chat. Questions in the chat, family, if you guys need me to answer any questions you may have. Again, thank you for hopping on and hanging out with us, man. This is, we're Extreme Lifestyle. If anybody invited you, family, make sure to go back and connect with those who invited you. Let me see, gold. Ah, man, gold looks nice with these buys. Look at this beautiful structure. This thing is all right. Lower low, lower high, lower low, break, broke the structure, came right back down the higher low. It just started making higher lows, higher highs and higher lows on up. Beautiful entries right here. Order block entries, order block entry, order block entry. Okay, how can one get the script on TradingView? What script are you talking about? Ray, what script is that? I don't know what script is that you're talking about. Man, this thing might just drop today. We gotta wait for this impulse move because it's at a key zone here. All right, I don't want to make any decisions yet because the banks they're building an order right here. All right, and we want to see the direction they run in. I'm looking at this, man. This might drop, but also could buy because it's a key zone. If it was a structure in the middle of nowhere, like if it was in the middle of a structure, then yeah, I'll probably put a good sell on it. Did you peep how when price came back yesterday? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yeah, that was a beautiful order block. That was an order block trade. Micah, that was an order block trade. That thing came right back and closed it. Came right back to mitigate and run right back up. I hope you caught some of that. I caught a little bit of it, but I already made my goal for the day, so I stayed out. Yes, sir. Structure. That was structure, y'all. That was structure, Micah, for sure. Here it is. Market open. And it's doing exactly, man, what I thought it was going to do. The sell. Right? So we're probably going to take some good sales this morning, y'all. Good sales this morning. Let's wait for this pullback to see what it does. Oh, man, what happened to mine? Let's wait for this pullback. I want to see a pullback. Give us a nice entry. Hold on, let me clean some of this out. Green yellow line. Yeah, we need a pullback, y'all. We got to wait for this pullback. 19,622 is the level, y'all. This is where we want to get to, right? If we sell it, if we get a nice opportunity to sell, right? When this pulls back, 19,622 is what we want to look at. 19,622. Come on, come on. What's that top step? On top step. Oh, I don't even have my top step pulled up, bro. I don't have my top step pulled up yet. But let's look at that 15 minutes. If you look at the 15 minutes, I have it on the bottom wick, right, of that starting run up, right? The bottom wick. There's the pullback we're looking for. Let me pull up my top step on my iPad. Let me where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There we go. On top step, that's on top step, that's 835. 835 on top step. We're coming back to that order. We're coming back to that order. Sell stop at, if you're on top step, sell stop at 868, 868, 19,868, y'all. Sell stop 19,868, which is sell stop at this level right here. If you're on Trading View, 656 sell stop. Uh, 868. Sell stop 868. Y'all be careful, y'all. 868. Sell stop 868. Sell stop at 656 on Trading View. Let's go. Let's go. You are in the money with oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Let's go, y'all. Come on, y'all. Y'all got to be excited about this. Man, let's go. Let's go. We are in the money, y'all. You are in the money. It's about to hit the TP. It's about to smack it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It is dropping, y'all. It is dropping. Tell me you guys are making some money. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys should have hit your goals already. Goals should have been met already. Goals are met already, bro. Goals are met. I don't know. This thing is dropping. Who is making money? Who's making money, y'all? Who's making money? We're done. We're done. You know how much money you're supposed to be making right now? This is not financial advice, y'all. It's not financial. All of this is just for fun. It's just for fun, y'all. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I already made my goal. I made my goal and I'm out, y'all. I'm out. This thing is still dropping. If you're still in this trade, drop some money bags in the chat if you're in this trade. Let's go, Priscilla. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Roderick. Let's go. Let's go, Meaty. This thing is still dropping, y'all. It smacked the two levels I gave you. I gave you 2 levels, and that thing smacked it. Wait, I have it on my top step. Right? Top step was at 835 is the level, and then the other one was let me see, what's that? 789. 789 was my was the other level I was looking at. Y'all, this is structure. Structure will tell you. Structure will tell you. It will end. It is still going, y'all. If this thing is going to drop, it's probably going to go down to 540. 540 on TradingView and 734 on Top Step. Let's look at it. Let's look at it real quick. Right here, this level, this order block. Watch this order block right here, y'all. We might see a reversal at this order block. This is the block that it started off of, all right, this run. Let's go, y'all. Made 594. Way to go, Crystal. Way to go. Way to go. Yes, 772. There's a block there, right? There's a block at that 772. Let's look at it. I wasn't even going to trade today, but I was, had to. I had to. It's at a key point right now, family. We are at a key point. All right, this is an order block here. It's a key level. No more sells until it breaks that. No more sells until it breaks it. All right, no more sells until it breaks it. But family, listen, we already made money. How many of you have hit your goals for the day? How many have hit your goal for the day? Come on, put in the chat. How many may hit their goals? You made your goal for the day? Come on. I know you guys, man. I know you guys made some money. For sure. Huge. Nice. Nice. Priscilla, way to go. Micah, all right now. $3,000 off of that drop. You better stop it, boy. That's right, Meanie. Nice, Yate. Listen, y'all, celebrate this. Right? Celebrate it, man. You guys got to go into the chats. Go into our chats. Way to hit your goal, Priscilla. Way to hit your goal. All right, go into the chats, man, and celebrate it, man. You'll get the community excited. Get the community excited about trading. Family, you know, it's all about, you know, helping each other. Right? Motivating each other, man. And some people need accountability, right? So just, man, trading is, there's a lot involved with trading, y'all. It's a lot involved with trading. Man, a community helps hugely, helps a lot. A good community, staying connected to a good community, it helps you. It helps you to learn more, helps you to be accountable, right? So stay connected, family. Stay connected to a community. All right, so go into the chat, drop it in there, man. We made money today. All right, we hit our goals today. All right, guys, listen. This is what I like to see when we hit our key points. I see structure being created, right? You have a lower low, lower high, a new low here, right? If we get a break in this structure, wait for the retracement and then get in. All right. Sometimes it won't retrace. It'll keep going, right? But if it breaks that structure, we know that it's going to reverse because it's coming off of a key point. It's coming off of an order block. This is a key. But if we get lower lows and lower highs, right? If this creates lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and create a new lower high here and create a new low, this is not a reversal pattern. All right. This is continuation. This is going to drop some more. All right. They're just stopping right here to close out some orders and build more. Right. So if this breaks this key level, and I'm talking about break, close, no wicks, because it could wick down and clean some of that liquidity and take it right back up. No wicks. We want strong closes. All right. These are some wicks right here. So it's concerning to me. Right. I won't take any more sells right here until I see a new low created. All right. So this might reverse here. Then if it reverses, all right, look for those. And hold on. I'm gonna give you guys a little something, man. That opening candle, right? Opening candle. This was the opening candle right here, right? This is what this candle caused this break of structure, was caused this this impulse move. If we break this level, look for a reversal going up. If we break this level. This level is at 698, right? 698. If we see this break that level, we're going to start seeing buys. All right. Look for buy structures, but it's got to break this level. If it doesn't, if it goes up and hits it and comes down, then we're going to see price drop again, even lower. All right, family. But we made some money. We came in the market. We learned, right? We got some knowledge, and hopefully we got some understanding, right? And then we look at that drop, y'all. Did not break the structure and it dropped. It broke. We're going to continue to go down, y'all. If this gives a strong close, it already took out that level I gave out. Let me give you another level. $416 is the next level, y'all. That thing is dropping. We are still dropping for the day, y'all. On Top Step, look at 600. It's going to drop to the 600s. Wow, that's crazy. 19,600. We're going to drop to, y'all. 19,600. We're done for the day, though, y'all. We've already made money. We made our goal. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Your host, King Nelson. I'm one of the many trainers here at Extreme Lifestyle, family. So get connected. Get connected to someone who invited you, and let's make some money, y'all. All right, family. With that said, have a great, great, great week, and I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.
Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Extreme FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still going strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Extreme is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Extreme FX Common Unity, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Extreme is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Extreme Effect is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Extreme FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work among professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the common unity, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came from, we just want to say thank you. We appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you. We appreciate you, and we are looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.